Hey guys, Coach back. So picking up where we left off, so that trade that went down and hit your target one, if you're trading 10 contracts, you make $10. Well, if you're trading 20 contracts, you make 20. If you're trading so if you're trading 50 contracts, you would make $50 off of that trade. But you can start over here with as low as $1. See, size must be at least $1, right? And so if that's the case, if you sold it for $5 and bought it back off this side, right? How much would you make? Right now you'd be even, right? Well, there's 10 minutes left in this trade. You're not going to be in any trades, or you're not supposed to be in any trades with less than 15 minutes left. So as you're watching this thing play down, it's not just it broke out of the channel, it's broke out of the channel and did step 1, 2, 3, 4. Or it may not break out of the channel, right? It may stay in this channel, and you can, like we did this morning, you can still win it because I'm not a pip counter. I can make $50 if it makes 1 pip, or I can make $50 if it makes 10 pips. And based on the price action and the volume and my indicators and other tools that I'll teach you in the strategy psychology course, you're going to say, when it's at this line, do I have steps 1, 2, 3, 4 based off of what I'll teach you? When it's at this strike, do I have steps 1, 2, 3, 4? And if you follow that process, you will win approximately 78% of the time. No one has not yet done that, right? So for a decade now, no one has not hit a minimum 70%. Most people are in the high 80s and high 90s. But I don't tell you that here on YouTube. I want you to come in the group and meet Mike and meet Jesus and meet Jen and meet Daryl, meet Michael, meet Neville, meet me. And so we've got about 13 open seats left for now. We'll get 13 people in here, get them trained up. Everybody's on the same page. We got one guy right now that's been with me 10 years, and got another guy hadn't made it a year yet with me. January will be a year. He took the training starting in January of this year. He graduated in about 6 months, and now he's in the daily class, and he calls it picking up gold nuggets. So, everybody's going to be different. So I don't want to say I made $750 today in 4 hours, and we do this every day. I want to say, come over here and watch these trades and track them in something as sophisticated as this notebook, right? It's got every trade that we've ever made, and it's recorded, and it's calculated, and it's measured, and then see if you can do it. With the right amount of time, the right amount of education, and the right amount of money, you can make a pretty good day trading. Without the right amount of time, without the right amount of education, if you're trying to start with a little video account, if you're trying to start with a $100 account and make $10,000 a day, it's not going to happen. But if you start with a $5,000 account, it could happen. If you start with a $1,000 account, you can make $200 a day, $300 a day. Could. So what's the percentage? We do that 78% of the time. So I don't want to try to explain it to you here. I can show you how we play, but until you come in and see how these tickets work, like I sold that for $50. Now I'm buying it back at $26. My profit is going to be the difference between I sold it for $50 and I bought it back at $26. You just use your calculator. That's your profit. And that's based off of one contract up to 1,000 contracts. I mean, it's how much money do you have? So it's not a get rich quick thing. It's a get rich smart thing. And rich meaning you can do this without a lot of stress. Again, it depends on how much money you have, on how much money you can make. And I was talking to somebody the other day, and they said, oh, I hate when someone says, oh, it depends. But the reality is it depends. Someone that has a $100 account would do great to make $10 a day. That percentage. Someone with a $1,000 account would do great to aim for $100 a day. And then someone with a $2,500 account could aim for $250. And someone with a $3,500 account, $350. Because as your capital goes up, you have more money to play with, because we have a strict drawdown rule. So if you want to learn how to do it, come check me out, www.tradingfriends.org. Peace.